dove.
Was it doing the broken wing trick?
Yeah, it's using the broken wing trick.
It's using the broken wing trick.
Oh, I think it's just a drying or sunning. I think it's sunning. It's okay. Just stretching. Española, the Floriana, and the San Cristobal Mockingbird. And here the process is slower because the temperature of the water is cooler, so it evaporates slowly. By the equator, it's always sunny, always sunny. So the water is evaporating slowly, but the wind is so strong that pushes this mist or evaporation towards the top of the volcano. Okay, so this evaporation coming towards the volcano condenses and creates a mist, or garua we call the drizzling, okay, from top of the volcano all over the southern coast. That means that that side of the island on the southern side. What happens? What happens behind the volcano? Look at this way. Behind the volcano, over the northern side, northwestern side, Central America, all the way to Galapagos. The winds don't blow this strong anymore after December, but this is a very strong water current pushing the cold water further south. The cold water current moves further south, but we have the warm water current around the Galapagos Islands. Means that the process of evaporation is way much quicker. Evaporate from the clouds up here, and then the rain. When we have the heavy showers, it might rain on the top of these islands over here. We rain on the southern part of the island, northern, eastern, western, any part.